The number one question I get about our transfers is, what can I press these on? And the answer is pretty simple, anything.
And when I say anything, I mean anything. We're talking cotton, poly, blends of course, as well as more specialty fabrics like denim, leather, satin. You can press on anything. And you know what? I could talk about this all day, but honestly, I do that already. So how about I just show you? All right, so of course we're gonna get started with the classic 100% cotton tee. Gonna lay this out, get the transfer lined up, and get it pressed up here. We're going at 315 for 12 seconds. You're gonna let it cool and give it a peel. There you have it. All right, up next here, we've got a cotton poly blend, going at it with the same time, temp, and pressure settings. Give that a press. And as you can see, it's pressed on a black shirt, but those white elements are not turning granny or anything. You have a dye blocker built in, so you can press on any color and still get the perfect crisp white result. Alrighty, now we're moving into 100% polyester, and these can be especially tricky, one which is temperature settings, but also the ones with these patterns here. Pressing with Ninja transfers though, you don't have to worry about that pattern coming through. All right, and you see here, if you look closely in those white areas, especially, you don't see this pattern coming through because we have that dye blocker on the back there that comes standard on all our transfers. And there you have it. All right, now we're getting a little crazy here. We're moving into a mesh pinny here. A lot of people call and ask whether or not they're able to press on these, whether or not these holes are gonna end up poking through. I can assure you they will not, and you can absolutely, of course, press on these and any other material. See, it'll take on the texture of the garment, but it's not gonna have any holes poking through. Beautiful. Now we're moving into a canvas bag. Of course, we're going at it same time, temp, pressure, and we're gonna see the finished product. I'm sure you'll be impressed. All right, here we have it on the canvas bag. Grab that corner. And there we go. Really put it on anything. All right, and to top it all off, we're going with one of my personal favorites. Got a denim apron right here. Definitely be getting some use out of this myself. Lay that out. Give it a press, and we're doing all of these at 315 for 12 seconds. Give that denim apron a peel. Look at that. Look at that. Look at this. It's ridiculous. All right, so as you can see here, we pressed it on pretty much anything you can think of. We have denim, canvas, mesh, polyester, blends, 100% cotton, and there's even more things you can press on here. Talking about nylon, windbreakers, raincoats, Carhartt, work jackets, really doesn't matter. As long as it's a fabric and it can take the heat from a heat press, you can get our transfers on there.